Good morning, welcome students. Today in this video I would like to remind you that the previous video was focused on chordates. It is the group of organisms in the animal kingdom which has notochord like structure. So far, a lot of animals have been seen and discussed, and we have find that the nervous system in those organisms was ventral to the body. But as far as the chordates are concerned, the dorsal tubular nervous system is the characteristic feature of such organisms. I had yesterday discussed that the if it is the body of the organism, the dorsal surface of the body has nerve cord like structure. Below is the alimentary canal, and in between the nerve cord and the alimentary canal there is a semi solid structure between that separates the alimentary canal and the nervous system is called the notochord like structure. So the phylum chordates, if we see, these have the notochord as the characteristic feature in their body. The dorsal tubular nervous system is another characteristic feature of the organism, and the notochord like structure extends from head to tail region in case of cephalochordates, whereas the notochord like structure is present in the tail region in the urochordate organisms. These are said to be the acraniata group of organism. If we say it acraniata, it means it has no cranium or brain box like structure. Amphioxus and Herdmania are the examples of this group of animal. Thereafter, the next higher phylum of the organism is vertebrata. The only difference between the vertebrata and the protochordate, which we have seen just now, the cephalochordate and urochordate, there is a marked difference, and that is the notochord like structure that we have seen in the phylum protochordates. In case of vertebrate, this notochord is replaced by the vertebral column. Vertebral column, you are all well aware of the term vertebral column. Such organisms are called vertebrates, and these vertebrates are further classified into gnathostomata and agnatha. Gnathostomata is the organism that has the jawbone like structure in their mouth, and agnatha are those organisms which don't have any jawbone like structure. So, the organism having no jawbone like structure are considered to be placed under cyclostomata, and those having the jawbones are further classified into various groups of vertebrates, and among them the very first one is the fish, group of fish. These fishes can be divided into two groups: the cartilaginous fishes, which are called chondrichthyes, and those which are bony fishes, they are called osteichthyes. Alimentary canal is complete, mouth is ventral, teeth, body is covered by placoid or tenoid scale. Air bladder is present in bony fishes. The gills are covered by operculum. Nervous system has 10 pair of cranial nerves. The organism is ureotelic and cold-blooded or poikilothermal or ectothermic animal. If we say this poikilothermic animals are those animals uh, mm, which are called the cold-blooded animal. It is because they temperature of the body temperature of the organism is directly affected by the environmental temperature. But contrary to this, if we are talking of homeotherms, such as humans and birds, what do we find there? That the temperature of the body is not affected by the temperature of the environment. That is, there is a control system inside the body that maintains the constant body temperature. So, on this basis, organisms can be divided into two groups. One is poikilothermous animals, and other group is called homeotherm. So, this is all about in today's video, and the remaining part will be seen in the next. Thank you.